Good morning. My name is Brianna Faye Brown, and this is a reading of Hurricane Road, The House Where I Was Raised, which I wrote in direct response to Elizabeth Kirkpatrick Brenios's poem called House Up Little Lake Road. Our windows were clouded in the way old glass imitates fog. My grandmother embraced this transformation, spraying artificial snow to give intention to what others might have seen as fault. The sun came through the kitchen window over the sink with the ease of comfortable clothes passed down to all but sisters, and the bathroom caught the prismed sunrise through a window that even I climbed out of to claim the trampoline first for canopy gazing and writing, sometimes for hiding, naps away from the noise, or practicing my serious clarinet. The sun beat down in summer against that black, and in the morning, while everything was wet, the leaves made wind chime shapes in the oak trees that Murano glass blowers should imitate. The real Mississippi has a warm beauty and iron clotheslined poles that we use to perform our best single bar routines. The woodpile at one time hosted our play communion, myself officiating, with smuggled snacks and teacups for the grape juice blood. We were the body, too, pleasantly confused. That roof, my eaves and rain, have found new owners who did away with the infestations of mold and memory, making art out of recollection. How buckets of cow manure from the old barn was reincarnated as the prettiest blue and white azaleas. Yes, sky-cradled, but roses, the kind too fragile for sprays, meant for noses, and honeysuckle held up the unstable antenna we climbed when Butter wasn't looking. And there was a wooded spring where my Lorraine introduced me to the whisper of walking on old farm paths, a place where conversation was not expected. We listened for the something more that breathed into that patient stillness. Inhale, suspend. Release me to your universal knocking of the heart. We may have been the first singing lights or reflections in transfixed sand, water, but the music was old, precious, prescient, and the pulse. Do wood-burning pyres really need to create warmth in a house that